In this video, we're going to use the update method for the item object to update a handful of properties for our item in ArcGIS Online. Now, the ones we're going to update are on the home page of the content item in ArcGIS Online. So we're going to update the title, description, summary, tags, and a couple of others. So open up the update item properties.py script from the item object folder. The item object has an update method that we are going to use to update properties for our item object. This update method will allow us to update the JSON properties. Let's first check out the documentation. The update method for an item object updates an item in a portal. For us, it's going to be ArcGIS Online. Below here, we can see that there are 4 parameters and only one is required, and that is an item properties dictionary. The others are data, thumbnail, and metadata. In the next video, we are going to take a look at updating the thumbnail. The most important parameter here is the item properties, which is required. Below here, we can see the key value pairs that we can feed into the item properties dictionary to update various properties. We are going to update the title, the description, the tags, the snippet, which is the summary, and the access information and license info. If the update is performed successfully, a boolean indicating success true is returned, or if there's a failure, it is false. Let's head back to our Python script. We first access ArcGIS Online with the GIS class, and we'll assign that to a variable called AGOL. From our GIS object, we're going to access the content manager and use the get method and supply in our feature service item ID, which I'll paste in now. The get method returns an item object that will assign to a variable called item. We want to create our item properties dictionary and call it properties dict. We're going to set the title to park trails. We'll set the summary, the description, the tags, license info, and the access information. We'll create a variable called status, and we'll set this to equal our item object, and we call the update method, and we set the item properties parameter to be our properties dictionary. The update method will return true if we're successful, and false otherwise. We'll print status to screen to see if we are successful or not. I'll run the script. Our script is complete. We were returned true. I'll comment out our example and we can check the updated properties. I forgot to add in the title, so we'll do that. Title will be item.title. I'll run the script. And we can see from the return information that our title has been updated. So is our summary, description, our tags, terms of use, and the credits. Before finishing up this video, I'll pop on over to ArcGIS Online. Here's the details from the original feature service: our title, summary, description, tags, and our acknowledgements. I'm going to refresh this page, and we can see that our title has changed, as has our summary, description, terms of use, the tags, and the acknowledgements. Make sure to continue on to the next video in this series, and also make sure to subscribe. Take care.